factor for personal. So which means professional is work, how to be successful at work. Personal, is really your life, your life. Okay, that's the answer. Personal leadership. Now we will divide that into personal, which is really what? Okay, intrinsic, inner. Okay, and then the leadership. Your JS1 guys, you have direct reports under you. You're a supervisor. You work with other people. Okay, that right? So the leadership there is how to, become a better leader. Okay, your very first sentence is very critical. Okay, so it says here, personal leadership, also known as self-leadership. So maraming terms ginagamit dito. Page 1 tayo. Because if you Google it, I'm sure you do, and I encourage you to do, kasi para, if you want to know more things about it, fine. Okay? Minsan, hindi nyo makikita yung personal leadership, ang makikita nyo self-leadership. Is leading yourself. There's another term for that. Personal mastery. Okay? They all mean the same thing. Right? They really all mean the same thing. Okay? It is the most critical success factor for individual, okay, which is you, and organizational success, which is really your business. Okay? So, you knowing yourself, sabi nga ni Giselle, that's it, no? From luncheon, sabi niya, mastering others is strength, but mastering yourself is true power. You master others because you lead others, because you're leaders, you're JS1, you're junior supervisor, yung random nyo lang, junior supervisor, which means you lead people, right? You are in a leadership position. Okay? But before we can be a good leader, we've got to know ourselves more, our strength, and our areas for improvement. If you attend all the other programs I do, okay, I will always say strength. We all have our own strength, diba? Kanya-kanya tayo. But I will never say, okay, strengths and what is the yung most obvious na ginagamit na strengths and weaknesses, right? You will never hear me say weaknesses. Okay, pinula ko na yan sa aking vocabulary. Because it doesn't help. You know why? Yung weakness, pag inayos mo, right? If you try and work on that, di magiging strength yun. Okay, why would you say weakness? Di ba? So you might as well say strength and areas for improvement. Okay? Because the moment you improve it very well, then it becomes a strength. Right? Besides, that's a very, very negative term. So the concept there is, if there's a key word here, guys, so you just follow me. If there's a key word lang in this statement, what do you think is the key word? Yes. Keyword. Correct, Carlo, thanks. Okay, the word is responsibility. So keyword dito is this one. You take responsibility for all aspects of life. Okay, the moment you say, oh, it's not my fault, it's somebody else's fault, I mean, how can we improve ourselves? If it's not our fault, remember, in everything, okay, it takes two to tango. Okay, influence. Keyword is influence. Of course, may self-guidance, but it's influence. Ano ba influence? You'll find that out. Okay. Another term is personal mastery. Okay, another term. Okay. What do you think is the keyword? Louder. Keyword intentional. Pagsama-samahin nga natin. Okay? It's your responsibility, okay, to influence yourself and others, okay? But you have to do it intentionally. Okay, there you go. So you now have the entire personal leadership workshop. Goodbye na. Okay. So it's important. It affects everything and everybody. Yeah. Every action we take affects ourselves, our future. Okay, the people we handle, our direct reports. It also affects the outcome of the company. Na-meet ba natin yung ating target? Siyempre, ano importance ng incentive po yun, ano? Okay, yun. Okay. Here you go. to. So at least sinisituate na natin, why are we doing this? Why this program and not any other program? A person is made up of two parts. The inner man, okay, that's the inner man. The leadership is the outer man. Okay, so, tayo. When we say inner man, develop a strong inner man, okay, to enable a strong outer man. The inner man is all about attitude, it's all about mindset, it's all about perspective, yun siya. The outer man is about skills, ayan siya, di ba? Okay, kasi before we can be great, we have to be great. You know, you cannot really be a very successful person if the way we think is defective, because that's where it comes from. So greatness is inside out. So we develop muna yung inner person, then we can develop our skills.